Hello students, I hope you are fine. Today we are going to understand a beautiful topic related to article writing. And I'm sure when I talk about article writing, the first thing that comes to your mind is that we are supposed to write article related to a pertinent topic, something that is some issue which is contemporary. For example, it can be an article writing for the prevailing situation of coronavirus. It can also be writing about the recent bill that has been passed in Rajya Sabha about the farmers. It can be about maybe child labor. It can be about the increasing number of cases of coronavirus or any other thing. Now, whenever a topic comes to your mind and the topic for which you are supposed to write is article writing, what essential things you need to follow? The first thing is that you must be very careful is that your article writing should have a title, which also I have explained very clearly in the format that you will be catching it up as per the PDF file. The title that you are writing should be explicit enough. Number two, be very careful what kind of vocabulary are you going to use in that particular article writing. The length, as it's known to you, and even I mentioned in my previous video related to article writing, is that you need not to cross more than 130 to 150 words. Ideally, when I talk about 130 to 150 words, it means that every paragraph should have approximately 40 words, and please try to include minimum 4 paragraphs. 4 paragraphs are definitely essential for writing your article. In your article writing, it is must for you to write down who has written the article, who is the writer, by so and so, who is that particular person, and most often the identity is already created in the question. So you have to pick up this, you cannot write your own name, you have to pick up the name that is mentioned in the question itself. Dear students, in your first paragraph, be very careful that your first paragraph should definitely specify what are you writing, who is your target audience, who you wish to be, who you want to be addressed in your article writing. So target audience is surely must. In your second paragraph, please ensure that you mention details about certain books, certain newspapers, certain statistical details related to that particular topic. Say for example, if it's about coronavirus, so recent reports, if you are aware of, then please try to put your recent details in your para 2. Some magazine, for example, according to the Reader's Digest, comma, and then within double inverted commas, the whatever information you have, and whosoever has reported so and so, by so and so, who has reported, because within double inverted commas you are going to put the quote of the particular person. So please mention it very carefully, very effectively, name of the book or the magazine or the newspaper, some details, some facts, because article writing, running around the bush, speaking about the same thing in different sentences will not serve the purpose. So there needs to be certain facts. Those facts will be substantiated only and only once when you will quote certain books, as I informed you, as per Reader's Digest, or as per the article mentioned in India Today, or in the recent article Hindustan Times dated so and so. So certain facts related to it should definitely be there in your article writing. In your third paragraph, this is something which I wish you should have, and definitely that increases the worth of your article. Please try to have idioms and phrases, try to induce certain idioms and phrases in your article writing, so that your article definitely stands apart. In your fourth paragraph, try to include certain details wherein you are recapitulating your gist of that particular topic for which you are writing, and you are ending it in such a way where you are having certain facts that you really want to speak for that particular topic. So children, please avoid grammatical mistakes, use proper punctuation. Just to recapitulate, your para 1 should have the target audience, to keep it very simple for you as of now. Your para 2 should include certain details. Can it be any magazine, newspaper, or any article that you have read, maybe on net, maybe on computer, any website that you have read? So kindly mention that. Number 3, in your third paragraph, please try to include certain idioms and phrases that definitely looks good. There are a lot of students whom I've seen, and they've definitely got an edge over others, where they are starting with a particular phrase. They are starting their article by quoting someone, and then they start writing their article. So this can also be one of the ways of writing. Do not forget that who has written this article by so and so. You may either write it towards the end of the article or else in the very beginning itself. And please read the PDF that I have attached with this particular video for better understanding. I wish you all the best. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask me anytime. And be safe at home. Wish you all the best, dear students.